In this part, we are going to create a login functions to our app. So we have to import the use Moralis from react Moralis, and then we are going to get the authenticate and also the auth error functions. So we type constant authenticate and also the auth error is equal to use Moralis. So now we are going to bind the authenticate function to the button. So we copy this and go to the button and we add on click is equal to authenticate. So we save it, and now we are going to paste the error alert at the bottom. Create this alert div under the buttons, and we use the fragment all the buttons and also the div. Save it and back to our website, and you can see the alert message is on the top of the button, and we are going to show this only when there is error. So we have to use a curly bracket to wrap the div, and then we type auth error, and then at here we replace this with auth error.name, and this replace with auth error.message. So now if we log in with Metamask and then click cancel, it will have the error message that user reject the request.